Tired of wrestling with wrinkled clothes and cluttered closets? You're not alone. In this video, I'll share expert techniques to fold clothes like a pro and save space. 1. Folding jeans. This technique keeps jeans flat and saves space in your drawers. 2. Folding short-sleeve shirts. Fold them this way to keep them neat and organized without worrying about wrinkles. 3. Folding shorts. This simple fold prevents shorts from losing their shape and makes them easy to categorize when storing. 4. Folding shirts. This method keeps shirts flat and neat, making them easy to store without getting wrinkled. 5. Folding jackets. Flatten the sleeves and shoulders to save space and prevent the jacket from deforming. 6. The mushroom fold for socks. Turn one sock inside out to form a cone, roll the other sock, and tuck it inside to create a mushroom. 7. Folding women's underwear. This method keeps them flat, prevents wrinkles, and helps maintain their shape. 8. Folding bras. This helps prevent bras from losing their shape and saves storage space. 9. Folding scarves. Fold scarves 3 times so they look neat and don't take up too much space in your wardrobe. 10. Folding children's hats and scarves. Roll up the scarf and tuck it inside the hat for easy organization. 11. Folding suits. Don't press too hard. Folding tightly can cause wrinkles. 12. Folding turtlenecks. Fold them similarly to short-sleeve shirts to save space. 13. Folding sweaters. Avoid hanging them since they lose their shape. Fold them flat instead. 14. Folding down jackets. Don't fold them too tightly and avoid placing heavy items on top to prevent compression. 15. Folding winter pajamas and pants. Fold the pants first. Then overlap them with the shirt to make them easy to grab when needed. If you learned something useful, share and save this video for later.